Hello, family adventurers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where unforgettable road trips begin. We're overjoyed to showcase this recent trade-in, a 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS with 89,000 miles, priced at an incredible $32,900. This 36-foot Class A motorhome, built on a robust Ford F53 chassis, features the family-friendly 350TS floor plan with 3 large slide-outs and a bunkhouse, sleeping up to 8. With its inviting exterior, this RV shines with charm, powered by a reliable Ford V10 gas engine. Hop aboard for a lively tour to explore every fun-filled feature of this budget-friendly gem. Let's start outside, where the 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS makes a welcoming impression. Its sleek exterior design ensures this coach stands out at any campground. Measuring 36 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Ford F53 22,000-pound chassis, delivering a smooth, dependable ride for all your family adventures. Powered by a Ford 6.8-liter V10 gas engine, it produces 362 horsepower and 457 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a Ford TorqShift 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive for confident performance. The sturdy construction ensures reliability across diverse terrains. With 89,000 miles, this RV is ready for many more journeys. The exterior is packed with features to make your camping trips unforgettable. Basement storage compartments with side swing doors wrap around the entire exterior, offering ample space for camping gear, outdoor toys, or travel essentials. A 5,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a small vehicle or trailer with ease, perfect for family outings. A manual patio awning and slide toppers over all 3 slide-outs create a shaded, cozy retreat at any campsite. LCI electronic leveling 4-point hydraulic jacks ensure quick, stable setup, while a rear-view camera system with an in-dash monitor simplifies navigation. Powering your adventures is effortless with this RV's reliable systems. The Onan 5.5 kilowatt Marquis Gold generator provides dependable power for off-grid camping or remote getaways. A 50-amp service with an extension cord ensures efficient energy management. Dual roof-mounted AC units and dual-ducted furnaces deliver year-round comfort, keeping your family cool in summer and warm in cooler seasons. These well-maintained systems make this RV a reliable companion for family travels. Step inside, and the 350TS floor plan opens into a warm, family-oriented haven. 3 large slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 8, perfect for large families or groups hitting the road. The layout features a queen-size bed and 2 bunk beds in the rear bunkhouse, plus a jackknife sleeper sofa and a booth dinette that lowers into additional sleeping space in the front living room. The front living area is a cozy escape, with a jackknife sleeper sofa, a small love seat, a booth dinette, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats, ideal for family movie nights or game days. The inviting cabinetry and durable finishes create a home-like ambiance. The full kitchen is a delight for family meal prep, designed for ease and functionality. It features a Dometic stainless steel refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave, and a residential sink with faucet, with ample storage for all your cooking needs. The booth dinette nearby offers a comfortable space for family meals or board games. The bunkhouse is a kid's dream, with 2 bunk beds equipped with a drop-down DVD player for entertainment on the go. The private bathroom features a large shower enclosure with glass doors, a skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, providing a refreshing spa-like experience. The rear master bedroom is a cozy retreat, crafted for restful nights. The queen-size bed, paired with a 24-inch TV and wardrobe closet, offers comfort and storage for your essentials. The bunkhouse and master bedroom create a family-friendly layout, while the slide-outs add an open, airy feel, enhanced by warm window treatments. The queen bed, bunk beds, sleeper sofa, and dinette provide flexible sleeping for up to 8, ideal for family vacations or group adventures. Let's highlight what makes this RV a family favorite. The 350TS floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and a bunkhouse, offers a spacious interior for up to 8. The Ford V10 engine and F53 chassis deliver reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid fun. Features like the bunkhouse DVD player, spacious bathroom, and ample storage add practicality and joy, making every trip memorable. At just $32,900, this 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS is an unbeatable value for a family-friendly motorhome. Imagine hitting the road in this 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS, exploring national parks, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your family. Picture the kids enjoying their bunkhouse DVD player, cooking family meals in the kitchen, or relaxing in the queen-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends family-friendly comfort with the thrill of travel, creating a home on wheels for your loved ones. With its spacious layout, every trip will spark laughter and memories. Let's dive into why this Georgetown is a top pick. Forest River's thoughtful design shines in the durable construction, family-oriented bunkhouse, and practical features like the hydraulic leveling jacks and slide toppers. The rear-view camera system ensures safe navigation, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a breeze. From the bunkhouse entertainment to the spacious bathroom, this RV is built for family fun and comfort. Ready to make this family gem yours? Priced at just $32,900, this 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed bunkhouse motorhome. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more, or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to get your family rolling. Thank you for joining us for this fun-filled walk-around of the 2009 Forest River Georgetown 350TS. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, bunkhouse, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2009 Georgetown 350TS. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see your family hit the road in style.